The First World War. World War I was one of the biggest and deadliest wars in history. It lasted from 1914 to 1918 and changed the world forever. But how did it start? What happened during the war? And how did it finally end? In this video, we'll explore the story of World War I in a simple and easy way. Let's begin. World War I began in 1914 and lasted until 1918. It was one of the deadliest wars in history. The war started due to tensions between powerful nations in Europe. The immediate cause was the assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand of Austria-Hungary on June 28, 1914. A Serbian nationalist named Gavrilo Princip shot him in Sarajevo. This event led to a chain reaction, and soon, many countries joined the war. The world was divided into two groups. One side was called the Allies, which included Britain, France, Russia, and later the United States. The other side was called the Central Powers, which included Germany, Austria-Hungary, and the Ottoman Empire. Each country had its reasons for joining the war, but they all wanted power and control. At first, many believed the war would end quickly. Soldiers marched off to battle with pride and excitement. However, the war turned out to be long and brutal. Soldiers dug deep trenches in the ground to protect themselves from enemy fire. This led to a new kind of fighting called trench warfare. The trenches were muddy, full of rats, and dangerous. Soldiers had to live in these horrible conditions for months. One of the most famous battles was the Battle of the Somme in 1916. The British and French forces fought against the Germans. On the first day alone, thousands of soldiers died. The battle lasted for months, and in the end, both sides suffered heavy losses. Another deadly battle was the Battle of Verdun, where the French and Germans fought for almost a year. New weapons made the war more deadly. Machine guns could fire hundreds of bullets in a minute. Poison gas was used to choke and blind soldiers. Tanks and airplanes were introduced for the first time in battle. The war was not just fought on land, naval battles took place in the seas as well. German U-boats attacked enemy ships. Life was hard not only for soldiers but also for civilians. Many cities and villages were destroyed. Food became scarce, and people suffered from hunger. Governments controlled industries to produce weapons and supplies for the war. Women took over jobs that men left behind, working in factories, hospitals, and even on farms. In 1917, the United States joined the war on the side of the Allies. This gave the Allies more strength. American soldiers brought fresh energy to the battlefield. Meanwhile, Russia withdrew from the war because of a revolution in their country. The Russian people were tired of war and overthrew their government. By 1918, the Central Powers were running out of resources and soldiers. Germany was especially weak. On November 11, 1918, Germany agreed to stop fighting, and the war was over. This day is remembered as Armistice Day. After the war, world leaders met in Paris to decide on peace terms. The Treaty of Versailles was signed in 1919. It blamed Germany for the war and forced them to pay huge amounts of money in reparations. Germany also lost land and was not allowed to have a strong military. This treaty created anger and resentment, which later contributed to the start of World War II. World War I changed the world forever. Millions of people had died, and many more were wounded. Countries suffered economic problems, and entire cities were destroyed. However, it also led to important changes. Women gained more rights, and new technologies were developed. The League of Nations was created to maintain peace, but it was not strong enough to prevent another war. The First World War was a lesson for humanity. It showed the horrors of war and the importance of peace. Even today, people remember the sacrifices made by soldiers and civilians. The war changed history and shaped the modern world.